Welcome back to Speed Society, where we dive deep into the world of two-wheeled excellence. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Honda Rebel CMX 850, a bike that continues to redefine the cruiser segment with its perfect blend of style, performance, and accessibility. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just stepping into the world of motorcycles, the Rebel CMX 850 promises an experience that's both thrilling and approachable. Let's break down what makes this machine so special. The legacy of the Rebel CMX 850. The Honda Rebel series has long been a favorite among riders who crave a no-nonsense, stylish cruiser that doesn't compromise on performance. The CMX 850 builds on this legacy, refining the formula that made its predecessors so popular. Over the years, the Rebel has evolved from a beginner-friendly bike into a versatile machine that appeals to a wide range of riders. The 2025 model takes things even further, incorporating modern design cues, advanced technology, and a more refined engine, all while staying true to the Rebel's rebellious spirit. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 Honda Rebel CMX 850 is a head-turner, blending minimalist design with aggressive styling. The low-slung silhouette, blacked-out components, and sleek lines give it a modern yet timeless appeal. The LED lighting, from the headlight to the taillight, adds a contemporary touch, while the sculpted fuel tank and solo seat enhance its muscular stance. Honda has kept the design clean, avoiding unnecessary clutter, which gives the Rebel a raw, unpretentious look. The attention to detail is evident in the matte finishes, chrome accents, and overall balanced proportions, making it one of the best-looking cruisers in its class. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Rebel CMX 850 lies a potent 853 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering smooth yet exhilarating power. This liquid-cooled mill produces a healthy 65 horsepower and 55 lb-ft of torque, offering a perfect balance between low-end grunt and mid-range punch. The engine is tuned for a linear power delivery, making it incredibly rider-friendly, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway. The addition of a slipper clutch ensures smoother downshifts, while the refined exhaust note provides just enough growl without being obnoxious. Fuel efficiency is also impressive, making it a practical choice for daily commuting as well as weekend getaways. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the 2025 Rebel CMX 850 with a host of modern tech features that elevate the riding experience. The full LCD instrument cluster is sleek and informative, displaying all essential metrics at a glance. Ride-by-wire throttle ensures precise power delivery, and selectable riding modes allow riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preferences. Safety is enhanced with standard ABS and optional traction control, providing confidence in various riding conditions. USB charging ports and smartphone connectivity further add to the convenience, ensuring that the Rebel is as tech-savvy as it is stylish. Handling and comfort. Despite its cruiser stance, the Rebel CMX 850 handles with surprising agility. The lightweight chassis and low seat height make it incredibly maneuverable, whether you're filtering through traffic or carving through twisty backroads. The suspension setup strikes a fine balance between comfort and responsiveness, soaking up bumps without feeling too soft. The ergonomics are spot on, with mid-mounted foot pegs and a relaxed handlebar position that ensures long-distance comfort. The seat is well padded, and the overall riding position is natural, making it an excellent choice for both short commutes and extended rides. Riding experience. The 2025 Rebel CMX 850 delivers a riding experience that's engaging yet unintimidating. The torquey engine pulls strongly from low revs, making stop-and-go traffic a breeze, while the smooth power band ensures effortless highway cruising. The bike feels planted at high speeds yet remains flickable in corners, offering a dynamic ride that's rare in the cruiser segment. The light clutch and precise gearbox make it easy to ride, whether you're a beginner or an experienced motorcyclist. Every aspect of the Rebel is designed to put a smile on your face, combining fun and functionality in one irresistible package. Upgrades over previous models. Honda has made several key upgrades to the 2025 Rebel CMX 850, further solidifying its position as a top-tier cruiser. The engine has been fine-tuned for better throttle response, and the exhaust system now delivers a deeper, more satisfying note. The suspension has been revised for improved ride quality, and the braking system offers better feedback. Aesthetic updates include new color options and subtle styling tweaks that enhance its aggressive look. These refinements make the 2025 model the most capable and appealing Rebel yet. Who is this for? The Honda Rebel CMX 850 is a versatile machine that caters to a wide audience. New riders will appreciate its approachable power delivery and easy handling, while experienced motorcyclists will enjoy its performance and customization potential. Commuters will love its fuel efficiency and comfort, and weekend warriors will relish its highway stability and sporty character. Whether you're looking for your first bike, a stylish daily rider, or a blank canvas for customization, the Rebel CMX 850 fits the bill perfectly. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Honda Rebel CMX 850 is competitively priced, offering exceptional value for its segment. With a starting price of around $8,499, it undercuts many rivals while delivering comparable, if not superior, performance and features. Availability is widespread, with dealerships across the country stocking the Rebel in multiple color options. Financing and warranty options make it even more accessible, ensuring that more riders can experience what this fantastic cruiser has to offer. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Rebel CMX 850 is a masterclass in modern cruiser design. It combines striking aesthetics, robust performance, and cutting-edge technology into a package that's both fun and practical. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned rider, the Rebel delivers an experience that's hard to match. With its affordable price, excellent build quality, and undeniable charm, it's no wonder the Rebel continues to dominate the cruiser market. If you're in the market for a bike that looks great, rides even better, and won't break the bank, the Rebel CMX 850 should be at the top of your list. That's all for today's review here on Speed Society. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda Rebel CMX 850, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.